Hey guys, Cam here in the 2019 Ram 1500. I got Tyler Cox, my trusty cameraman, back there on the 401 right now. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about the adaptive cruise control, guys. So this is a nice feature. You got those long road trips. It's going to save you a lot on fuel economy. You're not going to be going up and down, fluctuating through the speeds as aggressively as you would. So what the adaptive cruise control does is it actually will allow you to sense a vehicle in front of you when you're on the 401 and actually keep that distance. You can preset it to go further or closer to the person as well. And then what it'll do is if you catch up to someone who's going a lower speed than you, it'll slow down. And then once that path is back opening in for you, it'll actually go back up to that preset speed that you had. So like I said, guys, it really saves you that effort there on the 401. The 401 is getting busier, highways are more crowded. This is going to save you a lot of time and effort on the 401. I think it's a great feature. It's brand new to the 2019 Ram 1500 lineup. It's going to be in select models. So guys, right now I do have the vehicle set in adaptive cruise control. So you can use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel to actually adjust how far or close you want to follow behind the vehicle. And that'll sense at what point during the drive that it's going to start slowing you down or start to pick you back up in that pace with traffic. So right now I have it set for 112 kilometers an hour. And now it's going to sense me. It's going to sense a vehicle further ahead of me at a longer distance, and then by pushing this button, it actually reduces it, and then I'll be able to come back up in speed. So you can actually see here we're coming up on a transport. So I'm going to put it up to full max, and I can actually feel the vehicle. You can see it go down in speed because it senses that vehicle in front of us. Guys, it's a great feature. Safety. If you're one for safety, that's a great feature to have. If you're one for someone who just doesn't like those boring long 401 drives and you like to have that cruise on, it takes it to a whole nother level with this. It's a really fantastic feature. We've had it in a couple of our vehicles in the past year, but like I said, guys, brand new to the 2019 Ram 1500. If you have any questions about that, or you want to know a little bit more about how that feature works, give me a call, 613-329-1815, or hey, if you're in the area, stop by 1429 Princess Street, Kingston Dodge, the Ram store.